Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract RAR and zip archives in Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. And to do this you will need to get the RAR app I shown you previously on how to download it. Now when it's ready we can open it and find the files that we want to extract. So here it is. Click on the file, then on this arrow pointing up button, you'll enter extraction options. You can customize them however you like, but it's not necessary. And I'm just gonna go with browse to choose a different designation. In this case, let's go for the movies folder. Then click on OK. And when all of the settings are ready, you can click on OK again, and the files will be unpacked. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.